They tell me that this whole family of Locks is a great bunch of racers and busy in all kinds of things that furnishes people with thrills. Is that right?
Well, we try to, yes, sir.
What are you doing here? Tell us what this is.
Well, we're going to try to run this Henry J. in the world's finest automobile classic. This is second to none. I don't bar even Indianapolis. This is really one of the greatest tests for an automobile, I believe, that there is.
Joey, I'd like for the folks to get a good look at you. This is Joey Ray. And good luck to you today, Joey.
Thank you very kindly, Frank.
20,000 spectators in all manner of dress and watching from all manner of vantage points are anxious for the roar of motors to start. Half fearful, half hopeful that they'll see the spills and crashes that are almost certain to happen. And they're off. The Sportsman's Division goes first.
Tommy Thompson, the winner of the Detroit race last year, right?
Yes, thank you.
You've been in the racing business for some time, haven't you?
Yes, I started back in 1946, Frank.
You make a living at this?
No, and I wouldn't recommend it to anybody
Oh,
as
you
a
wouldn't,
source
huh?
of livelihood.
Well, how
yes.
do you make a living?
And there's trouble. That sand is treacherous. Lucky nobody got hurt that time. Look at them crowd into the south turn. Uh-oh. Boy, how can they take it? Now what? Another skid.